Hey everybody! So I have a really quick and simple science experiment for you today. So for this experiment, we are going to be making fireworks in a cup. So all you're going to need for this experiment is a cup, some vegetable oil, water, and food coloring. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fill your cup 3/4 of the way with water. And this can just be room temperature water. Then you're going to add the other 1/4 of your cup vegetable oil. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell from the camera angle here, but when we added the vegetable oil into our cup, it did not mix with the water. It is sitting on top of the water because water and vegetable oil do not mix together. The next thing that we're going to do is add our food coloring to our mixture, and this is what's going to create the fireworks. I'm going to have a little bit of blue and a little bit of red because it'll remind me of 4th of July, one of my favorite holidays. So I'm going to add the food coloring drops to my mixture, and then I'm going to cut to a quick video so you can see up close what's going on inside of our cup. So when we first add it, it looks like they kind of beat up at the top. They're just chilling out on top for a couple of minutes. So we learned a couple of different things from this lesson. Aside from it just being really fun and really pretty to watch, we learned that vegetable oil and water do not mix together. Even if you take a spoon and you mix before you put your food coloring in, the vegetable oil will still stay on the top and the water will still stay at the bottom. That's because one of these liquids is more dense than the other, so it's not possible for them to mix. Second, we learned that when we add our food coloring to our mixture, it kind of floats really slowly and starts to sink down into the vegetable oil. But does it explode? Does it move from that little pellet that we put it in as? No. Then when it gets to the water and it starts to sink, it kind of explodes and looks like a firework. That's because the food coloring is made up of water. So when it moves down to the water, it kind of explodes and spreads all over the place. I hope you had fun with this experiment, and I will see all of you tomorrow. Bye!